Hey guys, today we are going to make homemade dill pickles. Sherry and Dan are going to show us how to make homemade dill pickles. They are locally sourced here in Fort St. John from the local farmers. Nothing like homemade dill pickles. They're the perfect kind of big deals. These pickles are so delicious and so crunchy and so fresh. And we're just showing you some of the products that are already ready. Guys, this is a lot of work, but it's really worth it. This is Grandma's cookbook. You can see how neatly this has been written. It's been written for years. I don't even know how old this book is. This recipe book. It's boiling water to sanitize the jars and the lids and the rings. And these right here are the fresh cucumbers, the dill, and the garlic that we're going to stuff into the bottles. So this is how they look when they're green before putting them into the bath water. So it's really nice and fresh, and there it is. It's just being filled with the brine water. So we can only fill it this so much, so then there's a little bit of space for the lid to seal. So we have this pretty cool holder. That's how we used to put them into the hot water and to take them out of the hot water. And this is how they look when we stuff them into the jars. They look so fresh and so green. Here, just transferring and moving them over from the bath water, drawing them off into the table. And you wait until they actually pop. That means they're sealed. So the brine water is made out of water, pickling salt, some sugar, some vinegar. There's just those little hands trying to see if some of them will pop. Once they seal, you can actually hear some of them pop. So like this one is an example of...
Yeah, that one's an example of an unsealed jar. That's not sealed.
That's not sealed. So this is sealed.
Yeah.
This one's sealed. These are sealed? Yeah, these are sealed. Sealed.
You can really see them from here.
This one isn't. But it might. It's still quite warm, so that might seal tonight.
These are sealed now.
You can definitely tell. And they'll keep sucking. That's why you can't move these for 24 hours.
Uh-huh.
Because it... Yeah.
So excited.
You can tell from sitting on that side.
Oh, okay.
These ones are still really hot. These are going to take a while.
No, you can't really see them from here, but over there, the
My
light.
goodness, your butt is so warm.
Warm butt?
Butt is so warm. Hey guys, let's try and taste these delicious pickles. They're so crunchy. Oh, look at that. And you can make your own dill pickle. It is kind of a big dill, huh? Mmm.